If you want to consistently grow your search engine optimization traffic in 2022, then this is the video for you. Today, I'm going to tell you about 7 critical things that you can do on a daily basis so that you can improve your search engine rankings and so that you can grow your overall traffic to your website over time. This is going to be a great video. It's going to give you a clear roadmap for things that will be helpful for search engine optimization. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Before you get started, make sure to click the notification bell and make sure to subscribe so that you can get more videos like this in the future. Item number 1, optimize existing content. You've probably been hearing this a lot lately, but what you haven't been hearing is creating a schedule for doing that. So the more that you refresh content, the more that you make it better, the more that you add modules to the page, the higher it's going to rank. So if you've got 100 pieces of content and you're refreshing all of them once a year, that's good. If you're doing it every 6 months, that's a little bit better. If you're doing it once a quarter, that's even better. If you're doing it once a month or once a week, now you're really talking, right? So it's very important that you come up with a refresh schedule for your top pages, which could be on a weekly basis, your secondary pages, which might be more middle funnel pages, that could be potentially on a monthly or a quarterly basis, and then for some of the other pages out there that aren't as important, and that can be more on an annual basis. But it's really important that you prioritize your refresh schedule based off of how important it is for you that the content ranks inside of Google. And you need to continue to scale that over time and not just add fluffy, junky content. It's got to be good quality content that is around user intent and what they really want to learn about on the page. Item number 2, that goes into content quality. So you want to consistently evaluate your content quality. What are the top 3 ranking pages out there? What is the content that they have on there? What's the quality of that content? And how can you make yours better? Are there a lot of videos? Are there a lot of photos? Are there infographics? Are there specific facts, figures, studies, things that make people dwell on the page? You need to be consistently upping your game there. If you only have a block of text on your page that's 500 words, somebody else has 5,000 words, they've got a photo carousel, they've got a slideshow, they've got videos, they've got things that specifically address what the user is looking for, you're not going to be doing this well. Item number 3, remove low quality pages. I do this on a pretty consistent basis on sites that I'm working on, where I will find all the pages that haven't been ranking for a long time. Maybe they're from years and years ago, 2017, 2016, 2015. They're not really that great of pages. Now you have the option where either you can refresh these pages, you can create them bigger and better than ever, or you have the option where you can just simply take them all down and redirect them to the pages that you want to rank. Pretty much every time we go through this process and find these hundreds or thousands of pages that really aren't that great and redirect them to the important pages, you see a pop to the important pages, and that's what you want to see. Item number 4 on your daily SEO checklist, you're going to want to check your rankings. So how are you looking? Are things going up? Are things going down? Keep an eye on that. If something's starting to go down, don't let it get down too far. Don't let it kind of completely bottom out. Make sure that you're doing the things I'm talking about in this video so that you're consistently impacting them in a positive way and setting a schedule for your SEO. Item number 5, competitive analysis. Most tools out there will give you some form of competitive analysis. SEMrush will show you how you're doing for your visibility index versus your top competitors for top terms, as well as overall. So make sure you're consistently checking that. Item number 6, read the industry news. If you're looking for a great place to do that, you can check out the Ignite Visibility blog. We cover all the industry news there every single week on all digital marketing. I actually do a video on it every single Friday where I'll cover the latest digital marketing news, and a lot of that is SEO news. And item number 7, technical checks. So you should be basically looking and seeing how are you doing on a technical perspective as much as possible and consistently trying to get to 100% technically correct, which is achievable, but you have to be focused on it. So making sure that you're looking at your dashboard. We actually have a dashboard here that shows you the level of technically correct you are from 0 to 100%. You want to eventually get to that 100% mark or as close as possible. So when it comes to your daily SEO tasks, you want to be thinking about the pages you're going to be refreshing, making sure you have that schedule in place, pushing those things forward. You want to be looking at your competitors. You want to be understanding how you are doing versus your competitors from a ranking perspective, and really using those things on a daily basis to push the projects forward that are going to be more important on the monthly, quarterly, and annual scale. In addition to that, link building is incredibly important for SEO, so you're going to be consistently working on your link building strategy with your team to ensure those things are moving in the right direction. Good luck with all your search engine optimization. If you have a question, go ahead and leave it below. If you need help with your search engine optimization and want somebody to help take on some of these projects for you, go ahead and reach out to us at ignitevisibility.com. We'll be happy to help you. See you next time.